Managing family expectations while pursuing your dreams. Good day everyone, I am Gracie Gonzalez and today I want to talk about a topic that most of us can relate to. Managing family expectations while pursuing your dreams. It's a balancing act, one that can feel both empowering and overwhelming at the same time. Growing up, many of us were taught to honor our parents' wishes. They have sacrificed so much for us and naturally, they have dreams for us too. Sometimes, those dreams align with ours, but other times, they don't. And that's where the challenge begins. Let me share a personal story. So, I came from a family where academic success is highly valued. My parents envisioned me in a career they believed was safe and stable. But my passion lay elsewhere, in a field they did not quite understand. So at first, I felt torn. How could I chase my own dreams without disappointing the people who have given me so much? The answer, I realized, is balance. And today, I want to share 3 lessons I have learned about navigating this journey. So lesson 1, understand their perspective. So our families often want the best for us, even if their expectations seems heavy. So their dreams for us are rooted in love, protection, and their own experiences. So understanding this helps us approach conversations with empathy rather than frustration. Take the time to listen to their concerns. Ask questions like, what makes you worried about this path? Or, why is this important to you? You'd be surprised how much understanding you can gain by simply listening. And lesson 2, communicate your vision. So once you understand their perspective, it is time to share yours. Be honest about your dreams and why they matter to you. Paint a clear picture of how you see your future and what steps you are taking to make this happen. Families may not always agree right away, but when they see your passion and your plan, they are more likely to support you. For example, when I told my parents I wanted to pursue my dream as an educator, I made sure to show them how I was preparing myself. I shared my goals, timelines, and potential challenges. Slowly, they began to trust that I was serious about making this work. And lesson number 3, find a middle ground. So you have to compromise. Doesn't mean giving up your dreams. It means finding your ways to honor your family's concerns while staying true to yourself. Maybe it's taking a course disadjust while still pursuing your chosen field. Or perhaps it's agreeing to check in regularly with updates in your progress. So, small steps like these can ease their worries while allowing to move forward. Managing family expectation is not about choosing between your dreams and your family. It's about creating a bridge between the two. It's about showing them your success, and it is not just about what you achieve, but about what you become along the way. A person who is both independent and deeply connected to those they love. So you must remember, your dreams are valid, and so is your family's love for you. It's not an always easy journey, but with patience, communication, and determination, you can honor both. And thank you.